Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from DIYChoose. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to DIYChoose. And let's move them to the side. So this first diamond painting, it's one of the small, like 15 by 15 diamond paintings, which if you haven't done before are a lot of fun and they're quick to do and they usually turn out well. I'm already like hyping it up before I even show it. So ordinary toolkit, and these are special drills, and it's this here. It's a, let me move you down a little bit. It's a giraffe with some trees. This one actually looks like it will be a little harder to do. It looks a little bit more confetti-y than normal. So this is it's like 14 3/4 by 14 3/4 centimeters, and it's this giraffe here. The drill field is very clear. Like a lot of these ones with the specials, they tend to have the drill field with the black letters and then the guide circles. So it looks like all the it's just letters and numbers, so I don't know how many there are going to be. So let's look at this. There is no code, but it has just the letter of and the symbol that's on the canvas here. And so it looks like some ordinary black drills. No, these are the drills with the flat tops. The white looks like ordinary white drills. Some purple rhinestones, orange, blue, green, and then some big green ones, and then blue, and then a slightly bigger one, and then a lighter blue, and then the two bigger ones, and then yellow, and then the two bigger ones. So this one is $2.89 on the website. $2.89 on the website. All right, so next one is very similar to that diamond painting. So ordinary toolkit, like special shapes, and like I said, this one is very similar because usually when I get these, I'm like, I can't just get one. So it's this one. It's a cow. It's cute. This one looks much easier to do than the giraffe. But I've probably done, I don't know, maybe 10 of these diamond paintings. They're really cute. So this is about 14.5 by 14 3/4. So drill field, very similar to the other one. Very clear here. Look at it staring at you. And see the drills here. So it looks like some black. See, now these are regular black drills. The other ones were like flat top black drills. So it just, that depends on where I put it in my spares. So some kind of like pale colors, probably for the cow, right? It's a cow, right? Some white drills here. Some blue of 3 sizes. So yeah, very few colors in here. So this should be much easier to do than the giraffe. And this one is also $2.89. So next one, last but not least. So this last one, the bag that this is coming in is really nice. This is a nice bubble envelope. I don't know why I'm thrilled about the envelope, because I am. I have to have little pleasures, right? So they did end up folding the diamond painting a little bit, but that's okay. I have successfully ironed pretty much a good chunk of my diamond paintings. So the opening is on the side there. That's a little different. So this is ordinary toolkit here. I'll move you up a little. It's not as small as the little 15 by 15s. So these are round drills, and they're already in the baggies. This is a lot of black. So if you're not a fan of the color blocking black, this might not be for you. So here it is. It's this letter C for my mom's first name, which is Connie, in case you want to know. So I'm just trying to see if I flatten that out. This might turn out better than my own attempt at this kind of picture when I tried to do the J. This one looks like it might turn out much better. So these ones are rounds. My mom does not do squares. And it looks like there is 20 colors, and symbols are all letters and numbers. They're not in alphabetical order. And drill field, looks like the symbols are in circles in there. Nothing looks too hard to read. Yeah, nothing looks too difficult to read. It's the canvas is very crumpled. I am going to have to iron this. And how I iron my diamond paintings is I just set my diamond painting to setting number 3, which is like the highest setting that my iron needs, that does not need the water to add the steam. I don't know. I just feel like, okay, that's high enough. And I have accidentally melted some diamond paintings before, so be careful. Be careful about the ironing. Don't leave it off and in a spot too long. And I used to get like a towel and put it over my diamond painting before I ironed it, and I have since stopped doing that. I just iron directly on the canvas. I do squirt the canvas a little bit with some water. I don't know why. It's just how I've been doing it. And even though I squirt it with some water and then I go through it and I just make sure I don't stay in a spot too long. But yeah, nope. I have melted a little bit, and how I notice I melt it is the canvas will kind of like shrivel up a little bit, but I was still able to diamond paint it, so it was fine. So yeah, here is this letter C. Here's the color scheme. I don't know how they get it in the baggie so nice, but they do. And this one is $9.19 on the website. It is a 40 by 39.5. So yeah, this one I think looks much better than my own try at the letters. At least there's 20 colors. So hopefully this turns out better than when I did it. So this is in the last one for this unboxing. So here is everything I unboxed here. Too much light. There you go. And I will finish at least one or both of these. This one I'm gonna kit up, but give it to my mom to do, so you won't see the finish with the unboxing, but hopefully you'll see the finish in the future when my mom finishes it. because I'm going for when for my mom. So that is all I have for now, so I'll see you later. I'm back and this one is done. It's cute. Look at the cow. So this one is a 15 by 15 with 8 colors. 2 are just regular round drills, so that's the black and the white. 4 crystal rhinestones and 2 specials. I thought the rendering was fine. The symbols do have the guide circles, so you can see them underneath it. I'm not sure if, like, under the white, you can see there's a guide circle under there. So otherwise, stick was fine, canvas was fine, drills were fine, gapping is not applicable. This took me 2 days to complete. I didn't time myself because I did this when I went to my sister's house, and then I finished it when I got home. So yeah. These little 15 by 15s make really good travel diamond paintings, especially if you're not going to be there for hours. And well, I was somewhere for hours and hours, but I don't have the normal quantity of hours I would normally diamond paint. These things make really good travel things because they are tiny and just slip in somewhere. So yeah, the cow here. And I also finished the giraffe here. So this one was actually more difficult than the cow. The cow was pretty easy. So this one is also a 15 by 15 with 16 colors. 2 are regular round drills. I'm guessing that's the white and the black also. And 7 crystal rhinestones and 7 specials. So yeah, this thing had 16 colors. I thought the rendering was fine. It did also have the guide circles. See, like under the white, it's a red guide circle. I don't know if you can see it. Otherwise, stick was fine, canvas was fine, drills were fine. And this took me 1 day to complete, and I also didn't time this because I did this at my sister's house. I actually did this one first. But yeah, it's cute. Look at this. The only thing I'm not a big fan of is the purple drills for the trunk. I know brown drills exist in the rhinestones because I have tons of them. But yeah, when I was diamond painting, I was like, why are the drills brown? I mean, purple. But it kind of works out for the children's picture here. But yeah, it's a cute little giraffe. So the other diamond painting is with my mom. I gave it to her when I went to visit my sister, so hopefully at some point you will see the diamond painting finished. But this is the 2 finishes I have for this video. So thank you to DIYChoose for sending these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!